What's up, everyone? Today we're trying these gummies. We're going to see, I call them gummies because most of these supplements taste just like regular gummies. So, whew, that's strong. That is strong. A little sandy tasting, the texture, but they're not bad at all. Like, I don't have a problem eating them as a vitamin. It just kind of has like that sandy texture taste to them. But no, I don't have a problem with them as far as taste goes.